Welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to integrate Firebase into your SoftGen application. If you're building using SoftGen and you're building a full development stack application in SoftGen, you will want to watch this video as you will have to integrate Firebase as that is the only option. With that being said, before we jump in, I will ask you that you please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Liking this video helps me tell the algorithm that this video is worth watching and that it should be pushed out to others to watch. And by subscribing to this channel, it gives me credibility when those people find this video. With that being said, we're going to jump in straight into SoftGen and start creating the project that we're going to be working on. And then we will go into Firebase and create all the settings and everything that you will need in order to integrate correctly Firebase into SoftGen. All right, so here we are in SoftGen, and if you're brand new to this tool, all you have to do is create a new project, and you can start from scratch or you can use one of their templates. For today's project, we're going to start from scratch, and then you can select whether you want to build the front end only. That will not require a database, so that will be something along the lines of a landing page or a website with just information. Today, because we are going to be building a web directory, I will go with the full stack, and that will include the syncing with the database. We're going to create this project, and as you can see, there are some videos that explain how to do it. I intend to go a little bit faster than what they go. So I'm going to go in Firebase, and we're going to add the name of the project. We're going to click continue. We're going to enable Google Analytics. I like using Google Analytics because it's free and you cannot compete with that. And then we're going to select an account and we're going to create the project. So that would take a little bit. And while that is working, I am going to hit next. We're going to go back. We're going to let it finish. And we're going to get the first piece of code that we will need to add to SoftGen from Firebase. Now it's finishing up. All right, it's ready to go. So the first thing that we will need to do is we want to click on this web icon. We're going to add the app nickname. You don't need to host the app in Firebase because it's hosted in Vercel. When you launch, you're going to copy this piece of code by clicking this icon down here, and you're going to come back, paste it there, click next. And then we need to add 4 services. So we're going to continue to the console. The first one is the authentication. We're going to get started. So you have a whole bunch of options here. I'm going to go with email and password because I want to just show you how you can get this done. We're not going to go really in depth. Email and password is what we will be using right now. And then you can come back and check this off. Then Firestore activated. So the Firestore database. And again, all you want to do is you're going to create the database. You're going to click next. Really important that you start in production mode, because if you start in test mode, that's only for testing and you will not be able to launch into production, as far as I understand it. And you're going to hit create. We can check this off. Then the real-time database. We're going to go back and we're going to enable real-time database. We're going to create this database. Hit next and lock mode. So the data is private. We're going to start in log mode for now. And then lastly, we're going to go into the storage. Now, when you add storage, you will need to add a payment method. So we're going to upgrade. We're going to add one of the billing accounts that I have, set it up to $5 because I don't want to overspend, and we'll click done. So we're going to start the storage, Nest, production mode. And while that is working, we're going to check the Nest 2, and we're going to click Nest. And now what we're going to do is we are going to go back to the project overview. I'm sorry. We're going to go to the project settings. We're going to click on service accounts. We want to generate a new private key. We're going to generate it and download it because you will have to upload it here. So we're going to upload the Firebase service account. All right, so upload it. Then, I'm sorry, wrong tab. Then you will want to copy this code and paste it here. Click Next. Now you want to go to the IAM and admin page. So to do that, you're going to click on this link, which I already clicked. And we're here. You're going to click on the pencil icon. And let's go back. Firebase admin. Okay, so all of them are already storage admin. Firebase admin. What were the other two? Firebase Authentication admin. All right, let's see. And we're going to start copying from here. I think we have everything. Yep, start shopping. We're going to save it. Oh, we got this twice. So we can. I will leave as it is for now. All right, then you click this button and you complete the setup. And that's all you need to do in order to integrate Firebase into SoftGen. Hopefully this will make it a little bit more clear and able for you to visualize exactly what needs to be done in order for you to integrate Firebase into your SoftGen application. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I would be more than happy to answer them. Again, if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel as it helps me reach more people out there. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great rest of your day.